Okay, this is one of my travel videos, so thank you so much for watching. I was absolutely blown away by the history, the scale, the grandeur of Windsor Castle. It was an absolute pleasure to visit. I encourage anyone who has the opportunity to visit the UK. It's not far from Heathrow, and you need around half a day. It's absolutely amazing. I love the history, I love the Great Hall, I love checking out the old china, of course, in the cabinet, some beautiful silverware. And it was absolutely incredible. You'll see the gardens are just amazing, all these beautiful fresh daffodils. Coming from Australia in the north coast of New South Wales, it's always been a challenge to grow bulbs successfully. So when you can walk around and you're completely surrounded by beautiful fresh daffodils, it's really something. But I loved everything, the old English scripture, the stonework, the masonry. It was amazing, and I can't wait to go back. I'm sure there's a lot more there to discover. But it was an absolutely amazing visit and trip. They did have the flag out for me, so thank you to the team at Windsor Castle. That was very much appreciated, and I hope everyone gets the chance to visit. Thank you so much. Amazing. Please like, subscribe and follow. Press that little bell notification and you'll get the latest notifications of my videos. Thank you so much. Take care, Chef.